Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So you know what time it is again. It's time for another unboxing. I'll be doing another Nadine West unboxing or unbagging because they don't use boxes, they use bags. So if you're new to my channel, Nadine West is a company that reached out to me asking me if I would like to preview their items. They are a online fashion styling service. So if you go to Nadine West's website, and I'll leave it in the description box below, you can click on their website, create an account, sign in, and then take their fashion quiz. Once you take the fashion quiz, Nadine West will assign you a personal stylist. That individual will pull together some looks for you, and they will send you those looks in the mail. So once you create your account, you sign in, you take the brief quiz, then Nadine West stylist will take your answers to that quiz and figure out your style. So I've done 2 of these so far, and I've been very pleased with the quality of product that I have received. So I've done 2 unboxings, and I have been excited about all the products that I have received. Everything has been wonderful. So let me just say this. These unboxing videos are not sponsored by Nadine West. They've just asked for my honest and open opinion in exchange for sending me the items. So I'm not getting any kickbacks if you order from them. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not getting anything from that. I'm considering becoming an affiliate because I'm always looking for ways to make income for my family. But at this point, I am not an affiliate. I'm just giving my open and honest review. So let me tell you a little bit about the packaging. First of all, can you not just appreciate and adore this hot pink bubble wrap? This is an amazing package. I've always been pleased and very impressed by the quality. So they send all of your packages inside of this bubble wrap, and everything inside comes wrapped. So let me share with you what I have inside of the bag. So when you first open the box, all of your packages are going to come in this pretty pink tissue paper. On the front, it does says Nadine West. Everything is also put inside of a plastic bag, and you get 2 paper items. The first item you get is a return shipping label. If for some reason what they sent you does not fit, it's the wrong size, it's not your style, you really are not feeling it, you will put that item back into your pink bubble wrap, affix your return label, which is on them, and send it straight back to them, and they will credit your account for that item. The second thing you get is an actual invoice or check-off list of what is inside of your package. So for this month, I have a top, a dress. Ooh, I have a gray top, a navy dress, some earrings. Their beaded feather earrings are gold. And then I have a feathered out necklace that's a mixed metals, a bracelet that's a beaded accent, it's brown, and then a checkered scarf that's an assorted color. So this is everything that is in the box. And this also gives me a little bit of note on here. It says Texas residents will be charged state taxes, and they apologize for that. So anywho, let's get into it and see what we got in our bag. Okay, so I'm excited to dig in. They sent a dress. I've not had a dress from them yet, so I'm gonna pull that out first because I'm excited. I'm a dress girl. I love a dress. So I hate to rip up my pink paper, but let's be done. And I'm just gonna unwrap everything. Okay, so this is the dress. There's my jewelry, and this is the top and the scarf. Okay, I think I'm going to style those 2 pieces together and this piece together. So let's take a look and see. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, this is different. And I am working to expand my style or broaden my style out a little bit. So this, of course, is a little bit different. It is like a sweater type material. It does have the side gathers, which I do like. It is a full length sleeve. No, it's a 3/4 length sleeve. Sorry, 3/4 length sleeve. I like this collar. This is reminiscent of some of the sweaters that I've gotten before, but the inside of the dress is like one of those wrap overs or fold overs, so it's going to fold in like that. But I'm going to try this one on and see what I think about this particular dress. Okay, the next thing they sent me was this gray shirt. It's a light gray, and it is, oh, it's a cardigan. So it's not quite a shirt. They labeled it a shirt, but it is actually a cardigan. And it comes down. It is an angled or a bias cut. So it's going to come down and be angled in the front. And I like this. First of all, I like the material. This is the good feeling material that they always have sent. I don't see in here what it's made out of. Oh wait, down here. Okay, let me see. So it is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. So I automatically like this because I do like the feel of this material, and I like the cut of the cardigan. So before I even try it on, I really do like this. And then the scarf that they sent is black and gray with the light and the dark gray. It's kind of got that buffalo check pattern going, and it is a wide scarf with the fringe on the end. So this is still probably a part of their winter pieces, but I do like the fringe on the end, and I do like the wide checks. This is something that I definitely would wear because I'm a scarf kind of girl. I wear these as accessories. I don't wear these as actual clothing pieces, but as accessories. So I like this. I like it with that, but I also like it with another piece that I have in my closet. So let me show you the jewelry really fast. So this is the necklace. It's mixed metals. So the gold and kind of, it looks almost like, you know how when you have jewelry that's not real jewelry, that's imitation jewelry that's turned colors, it's kind of turned that green color. Well, this is what this looks like, but I think that's purposeful. It looks like they coated the gold pieces or the more bronzy pieces with that green, and so that's different. And I do like the metal on metal or the tone on tone. That is something that I really do appreciate in this piece. And of course they come in these cute little pink bags, which I absolutely love. And the next one are the earrings. Okay, everybody, so here's the dress that I received from Nadine West. Now, I've never received a dress before. I've gotten pants, cardigans, shirts, but I've never received a dress. And I'm going to be totally honest. When I pulled this out of the package, I was like, ooh, it's a little bit risque for me because of the ultra modest way that I am. And it was a little, I don't want to say form-fitting, but that's what I thought in my head. But when I put it on, and it has like this cross pattern, so it crosses over, and when you take it out of the package, it looks like it just falls over, and I'm like, oh my God, I gotta have a cami underneath. I'm gonna be falling out. I was like, I don't know. But when I put it on, I was surprised to find that none of that is the case. Everything, it comes across just fine. I can lean over. There's no spillage happening. And the only thing that I did was I did put on a slimmy underneath just because for my personal comfort. I'm still pretty apple shaped, and this is not my most comfortable area, but I think that the dress fits my body shape very well. It's not skin tight. It's that real flexible material. It still has a lot of give. But Alana said, Mom, I really like the sides. So along the sides, it has those gathers, and then it comes down and then angles out. It's got the front angle here, but then the sides come together and you see a little bit of leg. Just looking at it right now, I'm thinking this would be hot with a pair of cowgirl boots, but I don't have a pair of cowgirl boots, so I just wore the boots that I had. I could also wear this with a nice pair of hose and pumps, because I think that would be cute as well, especially during the summertime. It's a nice thin material. Again, 3/4 length sleeve, so it's not overly long and it's not hot. It's a breathable material. I do like the way that it crosses at the top and gives me just a little bit of something. I can wear it with a neck piece or without a neck piece. And in this case, this would not be my choice of jewelry for this particular dress. But I do think it goes perfectly fine. It just wouldn't be my personal choice. I do like the contrast in jewelry. And then here's the bracelet that I just put on. Now this definitely would not be my choice. I would pick silver, but I like silver. That's just my personal preference. Don't mind my step counter. I'm just counting my steps. So anyway, this is what the outfit looks like from Nadine West, and I'm giving this one a total thumbs up. Okay, everybody, this is the second piece that I pulled out of my Nadine West bag. It was this gray, light gray cardigan, and it's longer in the front than it is in the back, which is one of my favorite features because I really like the angle of this, the way it's cut on that bias and how it just comes front. I think it does a lot to slim me. This one is a long sleeve, so it is all together long sleeve. And I do think that I'm finally getting out of some of these sizes, and I'm going to request one size down. Finally, but it, again, is that soft material. This was my favorite when I pulled it out of the bag, but I really do like that dress. So I'm just saying, but I love the feel of this material. So because it was just a single cardigan, I just paired it with a pair of acid wash jeans that I had in my closet. These are the blue. They do have little studs on the back, and I think that pulls out the gray. And then I just put a little blue cami underneath. And so I took off the accessory pieces because I like it better without the accessory pieces. I would definitely style this with silver. But then I'm going to show you what it looks like with the scarf that they sent. And so here's what the outfit looks like with the last piece that they sent in the bag, which was the scarf. And all I did was I hung it long, crossed the ends, and threw them over my back. And so this is what it looks like. I like this piece to accessorize this cardigan much better than the necklace piece that they sent, although I do love that. As a third thing, I've worn the earrings with both the outfits, and I do like the earrings. I think they're very versatile, and I really do love this entire outfit as some of their pieces coordinated with some of my pieces. Okay, everybody, so that's my unbagging of the Nadine West items for this month. Let me apologize because I made a mistake. I was thinking that I had done my February review, and I had not done my February review. So you're going to get 2 reviews from Nadine West for this month. You're going to get February and you're going to get March, because for some reason the month of February just got past me, but that's okay. I'm going to make up for it and give you 2 reviews for this month. So out of all the pieces that I tried on, there were no pieces. Hey, Mama. There were no pieces. Oh, my goodness. Got to get in your lovin's. Oh, Mommy. I love your new outfit, Mommy. Got to get some lovin's. Oh, my goodness. That's a beautiful outfit, Mama. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me. Let Mama film. Let Mama film. I love you. I love you. I love you. So out of all the pieces that I tried on, there were no pieces that I did not like. I was not sure about the blue dress. It really did worry me when I very first opened out and pulled out the package. I was like, I don't know. But when I tried it on, I absolutely 100% loved it. So remember, if you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we liked your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. I will leave the link for Nadine West's website down in the description box below. If you're interested in any of the pieces that I previewed or just looking at their pieces in general, please feel free to stop by their website, fill out the online quiz, and speak with a personal stylist. Also, remember, this is not a sponsored video. I do not make any commissions or anything from doing these videos. I am not an affiliate of Nadine West. I'm just a monthly reviewer. They send me outfits or pieces. I give honest and open reviews and my feedback. So that's how this is working for me. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you tried anything from Nadine West, please let me know what you thought. I thought I was going to have to send back that blue dress, but it turns out she's a keeper. So again, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we review, bye.